In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Talabat app on Android. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to order food, groceries, and much more, all at your fingertips. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. As the Play Store opens, you'll see a vibrant interface with various app categories displayed. This is the official app marketplace for Android devices, and it's where you can safely download apps. If you are not logged in, the system may prompt you to do so. Simply enter your Google account credentials. This step is essential because it ensures that you can download and update apps seamlessly. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Next, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type Talabat. The search bar is easily accessible and will allow you to enter the name of the app you're looking for. As you type, suggestions may appear to help you find the right app faster. This little action is crucial because it directs you to the specific application you want, saving you time and effort. After entering Talabat, you will see a list of search results. It's important to ensure you have the correct name to avoid confusion later on. Once you see the search results, select the official Talabat, food, grocery, and more app developed by Talabat. You will recognize the official app by its distinct logo, which features a vibrant design. Selecting the correct app is vital because downloading unofficial versions can lead to security risks or functionality issues. This step will take you to the app's page, where you can learn more about its features, ratings, and user reviews. This information can help you decide if it's the right app for you. Now tap Install. This button is usually located on the right side of the app page. When you tap it, the download process will begin. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is necessary to get the app onto your device. Once the installation is complete, the app will automatically appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. You can trust that your new app is ready for use when you see the icon appear. After that, simply open the Talabat app. You will be greeted with a welcoming interface that guides you through the setup process. You might need to grant certain permissions for the app to work effectively. This is important because it allows Talabat to access your location and provide you with tailored services. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to explore the app's features in no time. In summary, you have successfully downloaded the Talabat app on your Android device. This app will open up a world of convenient food ordering and grocery shopping. Remember to explore all the app has to offer, from restaurant selections to delivery options. You have taken an important step towards enhancing your dining experience. Enjoy using Talabat and happy ordering!